Adam with Tribe-16 here. Today we're going to be installing our console panel. To install the console panel, it does pick up one factory bolt, and we do have to insert 2 threaded nutserts into the plastic. The kit does come with the hardware to install it, a handful of spacers, 1/4 bolts, and some rib nuts. First thing we're going to do is remove this little panel, and we're going to drill a hole in the middle, and that's going to be where we start with the panel installation. I guess we'll start with the bolt, the long bolt, spacer, the panel, another spacer, and then we're going to install it. We'll snug it up and then mark locations for the 2 rib nuts that need to be drilled. Once we've attached it with using the long bolt, spacer, and then through the factory into the factory location, we'll square it up, mark the holes we want to locate, and drill the holes for the rib nuts. Once we've temporarily installed the panel using the long bolt into the factory location with spacers, we're going to take a Sharpie and mark the plastic for the location of the rib nuts, here and back in this corner. With the long bolt, we're going to have a spacer, the factory cover, another spacer, and then the panel. After you've located and drilled in the 25/64 bit, careful not to go too deep, we're going to insert the thread setters using the thread setter tool. Last details is the final install, to put the spacers behind the 2 bolts with the rib nuts, and then tighten everything up, and that's it. Now that we have it installed, it's time to accessorize. Great place to hang your mic, cell phone, pocket knife, anything you need in a hurry. You can get yours today at tribe-16.com.